In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, open Settings and scroll down to access Themes. Now tap on Themes at the bottom left corner and pick one of those. Click on one of those options at the top or tap on the loop at the top right corner and type in wherever you want to. After finding the perfect theme for you, you can click on it. Select Download at the bottom. And last but not least, hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, access the same settings. But this time, instead of tapping on Themes, click on Menu at the bottom right corner. Then tap on My Stuff at the top. Select your default theme under Themes and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!